Hi, I'm Brandy, and I'm a plugin support specialist with MBA. Today I would like to show you my tip on how to reimburse students who have already been transferred out of PowerSchool but still have a balance on their MBA Cafe lunch account. With the end of the school year approaching, you may have your accounting department asking to reconcile any lunch account balances before you roll into the next school year. MBA Cafe has a simple way to find these students and process the reimbursements on their account. To begin with, we will want to find out who the students are that have a balance. We can do this by navigating to the MBA Cafe plugin and running the balances report. From the student selection area, you will choose only your students and inactive students only. From the lunch balance area, you will choose students who have a balance of greater than or equal to 1 penny and click Submit. The balances report now indicates that we have 2 students who have transferred out that have a balance of greater than 1 cent or equal to 1 cent on their account. We can simply print this page, make the students our current selection, or export out as a CSV. Now we need to make sure that we have access to these inactive students through the plugin. Let's navigate back to our plugin screen and look at the general cafe settings. Towards the bottom, you will notice an area that says Allow inactive students and staff to display in the autocomplete dropdowns throughout Cafe. Generally, you will not want this box to be checked, as checking the box allows users to view those inactive staff and students. When doing the reimbursements that we're going to be doing today with the inactive students, you want to have this box checked. If it's not checked already, go ahead and check it and click Save. Now that we know who the students are and have access to them, we can apply reimbursements as we normally would. Let's go back to the plugin and Deposits and Reimbursements. At the top, you want to make sure you are checking Give Reimbursement. You have the option to type in the student's lunch ID or last name and hit Enter. Your student will now show up below, as well as their current account balance. So for Judy, she has $3.50. We want her account to be at 0, so we are going to give her a reimbursement of $3.50. You will now see that her new balance is going to show at 0. Make any notes or reasons for the reimbursements below. We are going to put that Judy has transferred out, and then in the notes, maybe we just want to put transfer out of district and submit our reimbursement. Note that you get a green success message once you have done that. And if you go through a series of students, you can check the Show History button and see any reimbursements that have been made and how much the student has received. You can also look back at the student page and the lunch transactions and see that a reimbursement was processed today for $3.50. Her new balance is 0. You can also view this note here as well. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my tip and trick on the MBA Cafe plugin. Have a great day.